Tesla just unveiled its plan for the new Gigafactory in Monterrey, Mexico, and it's kind of a big deal. This will be their 6th factory worldwide, and it's already poised to be the production hub for the next-gen Model 3. And before you shrug and go, okay, cool, another car plant, this one is different. The Model 3 coming out of Mexico isn't just a cheaper assembly line version. It's expected to be more efficient, cheaper to produce, and catered to an entirely new market. Here's the pain point. Electric cars are still too expensive for most people. Even after subsidies, the average EV in the US costs over $53,000. That's bananas. Tesla knows this, and the Mexico factory is their move to fix it. By producing in Mexico, Tesla slashes labor costs, gets closer to lithium and battery resources, and avoids messy import tariffs. That can cut production costs by up to 30%. That math changes everything. It means a sub-$30K Model 3 is actually possible. I know Elon says a lot of things, but this one feels grounded in strategy. Mexico has solid infrastructure near industrial hubs, an educated labor market, and it's way closer to the US than Shanghai or Berlin. That's no accident. It's design. Pain point for Mexican workers? The fear that Tesla will just automate everything and hollow out jobs. Valid concern. But insiders say this factory could add up to 10,000 new roles, plus support jobs in logistics, batteries, and construction. There's also the refresh, the so-called Project Highland version of the Model 3. Rumors suggest the Mexico plant might debut this redesigned 3 with fewer parts, simpler wiring, and even a new interior layout that cuts noise and cost. And if that's not enough to get design nerds frothing, they're reportedly reworking the wiring harness system to use less copper and more zoned electronics. That alone could shave off hundreds of dollars per car. If Tesla pulls this off, they become a serious threat in the emerging markets arena. Think beyond the US, Brazil, Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe. Low-cost EVs that actually look good are the holy grail for mass adoption. There's also the US tax credit detail. If parts come from Mexico, under the USMCA agreement, the cars still qualify for the IRA $7,500 EV credit. So you get an American tax break on a Mexican-built car. Globalization is wild. And Mexico is more than just cost savings. It's kind of an industrial rising star. BMW, GM, Ford all have plants there now. Tesla's just late to the party, but they're arriving with a flamethrower and DJ booth. So yeah, the Tesla Model 3, made in Mexico, might not save the planet tomorrow. But if it gets EVs under 30 grand with good range and performance, that's a game changer. You won't care where it's made, you'll just care that it works.